Hey there, Karen from EdibleWildFood.com, and I just came out this afternoon to take Chance for a walk and thought I would take this opportunity to show you that in an area that is basically not that much more than 12 inches by 12 inches, which would be roughly 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, that there are 5 different wild edible plants. Now, this I would highly recommend is a great way for beginners to learn about wild edible plants. It is so simple because all you do is you mark out an area just like this, and you have your books with you or your cell phone to help you identify plants, and away you go. So in this small area, first I'm going to show you, and I got my stick here because I've got Chance all tied up here at a bench, is the creeping Charlie or ground ivy. This is in the mint family. It is so incredibly healthy for you, high in iodine, definitely, in my opinion, a must-have in a diet, especially those not getting enough iodine through their salt, or those who are living near the seashore. Next, here, right in here, we have the seed of the broadleaf plantain. Now, broadleaf plantain here is not looking healthy or very good, and that's something to keep in mind too. Don't look at the quality of these plants right now. This is all about identification only. Broadleaf plantain, the leaves, the seeds, they're all edible. And of course, the dandelion. Dandelions like to make it in anywhere and everywhere, and that's a good thing. They're so healthy for us. You get a cup of those leaves in you every day. It's like a multivitamin, and it's getting your vitamins the way we were intended to. Now, right here, there is Queen Anne's lace, wild carrot. You can see some very small flowers starting here, but that's because this is, again, I'm in a local park. It gets mowed, so they have some challenges when it comes to growing, but that's okay. And number 5, last but not least, in here, the purple flowers. And without the purple flowers, here's the leaves. Heal all, or self-heal. This is a medicinal plant. It's in the mint family, and the leaves are edible, the flowers are usable, and more so for decoration when it comes to culinary purposes, but medicinally there are by far more uses for it. So once again, as a little recap, we have ground ivy, or creeping Charlie, and broadleaf plantain, dandelion, Queen Anne's lace, right there. And that's something for new foragers to be very careful of, because there are lookalikes that will cause you grief and possible serious harm. And the heal all, self-heal. I have links to all these plants in my description below, so be sure to check that out. And again, this is a wonderful way to start learning how to forage. Just mark out an area and away you go. And if you are new at foraging, do be careful, because like I mentioned, I'm right in a park area. This is where dogs like to frequent, and well, who knows, maybe all that nitrogen does help to grow bigger leaves. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please be sure to hit the notification for future videos. Thank you.